Love is Film Festival, a film festival interrogating the theme of love and all the various different aspects of it. So today we are showing Enduring Love, which stars Rhys Ifans. We're also starting screening our 2 short film programmes, The Heartwarmers and The Heartbreakers, and then excitingly later tonight we've got a courtyard screening of Casablanca. It's brilliant being back in the film exhibition area. I've been involved in lots of film festivals in the past, and it's just lovely to be involved in one of my own. It's exciting to be interrogating such a universal theme in the theme of love and try and bring something new to audiences. It's brilliant. I wanted to run my own film festival, and I was thinking about themes that would work really well. I thought that the message of love is really big at the moment in terms of there's a lot going on in the world, and I think bringing more love into spaces is needed. And also as well, I just thought that there have been film festivals about love before, not many. I just thought there was an area that was really interesting, and that was an area that possibly wasn't being looked at as much as other areas. The reception's been great. We've got a few screenings that are just on the verge of selling out. Everybody is really embracing the idea of the festival. So far, we've only just started on screening films today, but we've had a great turnout already. So we're just really excited by how people are picking it up. This is our first year of the Love is Film Festival, and we are very much wanting to turn this into a regular yearly event in Swansea and bringing cultural cinema to wider audiences in Swansea city centre. So we're really excited that we have been given the opportunity to hold this event, and we really hope to grow from here.